Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, tap on Recent next to App Notifications and select the best option for you, in my case Frequency. Then click on the sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. And as you can see, after that, all notifications are off. You can always switch them back on by clicking on the same No Gray sweater. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and tap on this sweater next to allow notifications to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!